Oh my god.
What's up, fam? Welcome to White Girl Baking Club. Alright, we're gonna take this flour right here, sugar in the food processor, buzz it up a little bit, same thing with the butter, boom, boom, but not too much. Hey, perfect. Alright, now we're gonna take our sheet pan right here, we're gonna layer that bad boy up, doesn't gotta be perfect. Boom, boom. Now we're gonna bake this bad boy for 350 for 10 minutes, alright? Alright, now we're gonna take our lemon juice, sugar right here, we're gonna bring that bad boy to a boil. Then we're gonna take our egg yolks, the rest of the sugar right here, whisk it a little bit, boom, boom. Now we're gonna take our cornstarch, a little bit of flour, boom, boom. Then we're gonna take our hot boiling lemon juice, temper that bad boy, 2 parts, there we go. We're gonna bring this bad boy back to the pot, we're gonna cook it until it's boiling. Then we're gonna add our lemon zest right here, boom, boom, there we go. We're gonna cool that bad boy down with a little bit of butter, boom, boom. We're gonna strain this bad boy because I don't like any chunks, man. There we go. Yep. That's how I like it. Damn, it's a little burnt. But anyways, take our lemon curd right here. Boom, boom. Distribute it gently, evenly. There we are. We're gonna bake it for 325 for 5 minutes. Hey. Then we're gonna let it cool for 2 hours, alright? Strawberries right here. Cut them bad boys up. Just make sure it looks like an American flag, you know what I'm saying? Do you, boo boo? Blueberries. Alright, there we go. Hey. Alright, heavy cream right here. Vanilla, sugar. Whisk this bad boy up until it stiff peaks. Boom, boom. Yup, there we are. Alright, we're gonna line this bad boy up. Blueberries, strawberries right here. Arrange them. Arts and Crafts with Ronnie. Welcome, like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Hey, that's some Pinterest shit right there. What's up, white girl? I see you. Damn, that boy thick.
Oh my god, Ronnie.